The tool initially comes with only 3 default workspaces and no active layers. In the left panel, the data store organizes Geoserver's data under workspaces, making it easier for users to locate. You can create new workspaces in Geoserver based on your needs, helping users access data more efficiently. In TOSCA's left panel, the main headings are workspace names from Geoserver, and the items below them are the layers you've published. For more details, refer to the official Geoserver documentation. First, log into Geoserver to explore these structures. You can set the Geoserver username and password in the NV file, where the default is set to admin for the username and Geoserver for the password. The NV file also includes credentials needed for PostGIS and other tools. Once logged in, let's quickly review the relevant sections in the left menu. If you're using Geoserver for the first time, you need to configure the initial settings for GeoFence in the left menu. As mentioned earlier, there are 3 default workspaces. You can expand these, organizing data by concepts like POIs or urban. This store is Geoserver's primary data upload area, where you can add different data types as stores. There are 2 main approaches, which we'll cover in order. The first approach is adding data types that hold single datasets, like shapefiles or rasters, as a store, then publishing them directly as layers. Naming conventions are crucial when publishing data. By default, data on our computer is under the Mint folder, which we need to locate. After adding data to the system, save it as a store and proceed to the next step to publish it as a new layer. In the layer section, setting up coordinate systems is a key step. After configuring these settings, publish the data and check it in the TOSCA web application. The second type of store is for systems like PostGIS or GeoPackage. In this example, we'll add a sample GeoPackage as a store and demonstrate how to publish its multiple datasets one by one. GeoPackage and PostGIS stores have similar structures. First, select the commercial layer and publish it, then check the data in TOSCA. Next, publish the second dataset, educational, from the same data store. Finally, verify this data in TOSCA. We'll demonstrate 2 scenarios for raster data upload. First, uploading Sentinel-2 RGB imagery, and second, uploading digital elevation model data, including adding an SLD file and applying it to the layer. Seeing a black screen initially is normal. The image is awaiting a 3-band RGB configuration. We upload the SLD file created for RGB and apply it to the layer. SLD files can be created with desktop applications like QGIS. Once we add the SLD as a style, we apply it to the RGB layer and check the image in TOSCA. Next, we upload the elevation data using a similar method. Here, we demonstrate a common mistake. selecting the wrong workspace, which can result in data being placed in different locations. To fix this, go to the Elevation Data Store and update the workspace. The raw elevation image appears as a single band black and white image. We upload a visualization style in SLD format, apply it to the elevation layer, and check our changes in TOSCA.